So this is the first vector that I finished. I repaired pod number 5. This pod right here, because it wasn't turning. It's turning now. So I'm going to show you that. Well, I'm going to show you the 5 pods, regular pods turning. Now I'm going to try to show you the smart vector pods, pods 2 and 6. This was 2, this one's 6. That's the left alley. That's the right alley. Those are the 2 takedowns. That's the rotate feature. One of them's making a little bit of noise. I'll try to figure out what that noise is. This is the front oscillate. This is the rear flash. And last but not least, these are the traffic signal lights. There's 2 of them burned out, 2 and the one on the end, 8. So when I get 2 light bulbs replaced on this, and I clean it up, it was outside, this is all dirt. So this one's pretty much fully functional. Just needs a good cleanup job. So when I get it all cleaned up, and it needs a power cord because, like I said earlier, they clipped it short again, as usual. But this one is pretty close. Thank you.